Hi everyone, I am Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. In today's video, we are going to learn about title tag in HTML. In the previous video, we had learned about HTML and why we should learn HTML. We had also created our first HTML page, and in today's video, we are going to learn about title tag in HTML. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I hope you guys remember the structure of a HTML page. We discussed this in the previous video. A HTML page is similar to a human body. There's a head and then there's a body, and within the head, like a human body, has eyes, nose, mouth, and then there are hands in the body. Similar to that, a HTML page will also have different components. The first part within the HTML page is the head tag or the head component, and similar to a human body, like we have eyes on the head, in the head tag in HTML we can use the title tag. Now what exactly is the title tag? HTML title tag is used for declaring title or name of the HTML page or document. The title is usually displayed in the browser's title bar at the top. It is also displayed in the browser's bookmark and search result. Where do we place it? Do you see the sample code here on the left? This is a similar page that we created yesterday. The only difference here is there's a title tag. Just see how it is placed. Within the head tags, the head tag is opened here and the head tag is closed here. Within that, there is title tag. The title is opened here and the title tag is closed here. And within this, here we will enter a title. This title will appear on the top of the browser. So let's go ahead and create our HTML page with a title and see how this looks like. Alright, so I will open our HTML editor or a code editor. I am using a Windows system, so I will use Notepad++. If you're using a Mac system, you can use brackets.io. So let's go ahead and create a new page again. After creating a new page, let's open the document. We'll start with HTML, and because we are opening HTML, we'll have to close HTML tag as well. So we've closed HTML. As per the basics, we'll open the head tag and we'll close the head tag. After this, we'll open the body tag and we will close the body tag. Now let's go ahead and save this page, and let's save this page by the name title tag in HTML, and let's save it on the desktop so that we can find it easily later. Alright, it's saved on the desktop. Let's go ahead and check that file. So the page is here, HTML tag. It looks like the file was not saved properly. Okay, check that out. I had made some mistake. I forgot to put .html. Instead, I used -html. So this page, it's showing differently. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's save it as .html. Okay, so I've saved it here. As soon as I save, the page appeared. Now I'll open this page using a web browser. Alright, so similar to yesterday, we do not see anything. Now let's look at the top here at the title. So this is the tab that we are using. This is the tab where a document is open. Title tag in .html. Let's go ahead and include the title tag here. Remember, we'll place the title tag in the head section. Title, and we'll close the title. So even now, if we refresh, there'll be nothing new. So what we'll have to do is we'll just have to add some title between the title tags, between the opening title and the closing title tag. Let's say this is my first HTML page with title. So I've saved this. Now let's go ahead and refresh this page. See, right now the title here, it says title tag in _HTML. Let's refresh the page. Alright, check that out. Right now it says this is my first HTML page with title. So this is what you can do using the title tag. Now if somebody bookmarks this page, let's say you have an active web page on the internet and somebody bookmarks it, this is what will be saved in the title. This is my first HTML page with title. Perfect. We've created the title tag and we've learned about the title tag today. Alright people, that's it for today. I will be signing off now. I will be back tomorrow with a new video and we'll learn a new tag in the video. It's the first day of the new year, so happy new year. Wish you all the best. Do subscribe the channel and like the video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or doubts, please go ahead and post that in the comment. I'll be happy to take it forward and help you out on the same. Take care people. Bye bye.